Nigerians in Canada hoisting the Nigerian flag at the Toronto City Hall as Nigeria celebrates her 52nd independence anniversary.
Thank you for representing our country very well.
Canadian friends of Nigeria are also optimistic about the strength and the future of the country.
The new place to do business, the next, if you want to call it, plateau, is in Africa, and you can only do business in Africa through Nigeria.
And that is the wind blowing across Canadian cities as Nigerians turned out in colorful attires to mark the nation's 52nd anniversary celebration in Toronto, Ottawa, and Montreal, just to mention a few.
Nigeria is God's own country. God is with us.
Girl, I love you so. Yeah. Stagger like this. Stagger like this. Yeah. Bracket delay. They call me M.I. Stagger like this. Yeah. Stagger like this. Listen, girl, as I see you so. Now why I didn't move slow like this? My girl, anytime I close my eyes, now you are the key, yeah. I did feel you scatter. If you didn't say I did like, go ask my brother, yeah. I could treat you right till the end of time. Nobody know you like me. No one can love you just like me, yeah. Girl, as I see you like this, you did make me the stagger like this. Ask me why I'm high like this. I can't tell why I did feel like this. Not because of say anytime I see you, you did make me stagger like this. Girl, ask me why I'm high like this. I can't tell why I did feel like this. Not because of say anytime I see you, you did make me stagger like this. Yeah, stagger like this, stagger like this. Yeah, stagger like this, stagger like this. Yeah. Now they feel you well, girl, from my mind you they make me mad. That's not the reason I still they stagger. Like say I do take this ladder. Girl, for a very long time I still don't think I have to make it human.
Every country that has reached developed nation status, one of the key areas has been infrastructure, and particularly in energy. The power industry, transportation, and communication have been areas that all had significant investment, and these are areas that I believe that Nigeria needs to focus on over the next 5 to 10 years.
Well, I frequent Nigeria, so well, from my last visit, I can say there has been a great deal of improvement in terms of electricity power supply, which is very good.
Yes, there is a lot of work to be done, and I just want to encourage all of our leaders, both from the executive arm as well as the legislative arm, that we should get working.
We are all government. If we help the government will be able to come out with all the progress we all need.
Yes, we've had challenges as a nation, which is not far-fetched from what other countries do have. Even America had its own challenges. And I see us getting through it.
I was talking to the weatherman about today. I know all he could say was no one knows tomorrow. See, I can read the weather child. I can tell me be the river for the sunshine. But that's as far as my guess goes. Cause no one knows tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow. Time it wasn't need to go to war. All the kidding philosophy in places, ideology. But tomorrow's a mystery. No one knows tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow. Tomorrow is your opportunity to fail or be successful if you please. Yes, indeed, tomorrow is a politician's today. Is the victim of decisions and the future of our children. So when I die someday, will I be in heavenly places singing hallelujah with an angel on the piano, or will I be just another contribution to the earth, the trees, the grasses, as tomorrow slowly passes? No one knows, 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 no one knows. So when I die someday, will I be in heavenly places singing hallelujah with an angel on the piano? Or will I be just another contribution to the earth, the trees, the grasses, as the tomorrow slowly passes? No one knows, no one knows, no one knows, no one knows.
We're here to celebrate our national day.
Hello, Nigerians.
Kò sẹ́ni tó lè ṣe bí kì í ṣe wá.
kùtùkùtù bàdúrí mú bàbá mo ṣoríire o ẹlẹ́dàá mi mo dúpẹ́. Bí mo bá jí òwúrọ̀ kùtùkùtù bàdúrí mú bàbá mo ṣoríire o ẹlẹ́dàá mi mo dúpẹ́ o.
Thank you very much.
Now, what the business are not satisfied like you. All our former. Happy National Day, people.